So these are ingredients we're going to need to make our Irish soda bread. We have 350 grams of plain flour, 285 millilitres of milk, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Our equipment, quite simply, a bowl and a baking tray. Hi there guys, hope you're all doing well and you're looking after yourselves and you're remembering to keep your distance and washing your hands regularly and stuff like that. Well, this is my first attempt at trying to make a small little video to give you something to do as a little challenge at home. Hopefully with some of the store cupboard ingredients you've already got. Right, so let's get started baking. So, really easy this. All you need, glass bowl, you need your milk, and to your milk you're going to add your lemon juice. Now if you had buttermilk that would be the same, but by adding this acid into this it means that it will make it slightly sour, which is what buttermilk is like anyway, so it's a cheaper way of doing it. Get all your dry ingredients, so here's my flour, I'm just going to put all that in there, my baking soda, and finally the salt. Give it a little mix, and it's as simple as adding the liquid to the dry ingredients. Now the moment the liquid mixes with the bicarb of soda, it's going to start creating bubbles, and that's what's going to help our bread rise, because this is a no-knead bread. I'm making a right mess. So you end up with a soft, sticky dough like this. Then all you've got to do, dead simple, maybe put a little bit of flour on your hands. Don't forget, if you make the mess, you've got to clear it up. Get your dough, drop it on the surface, and just form it into a round ball. You will need a bit of flour on the table to stop it sticking. Once you've got that into a round ball, all you need to do then is dust it with a little bit of flour. Make sure it's a nice round shape. And then take a knife, palette knife, whatever you've got, and cut it almost all the way through. Turn it round and do the same on the other side. Then take your baking tray. Now if you don't want it to stick, maybe you've got some greaseproof paper, but I personally just a little bit of flour, that's all you need. Take your dough, place it on your baking tray so it looks like that, and basically pop it in your oven. Takes about 20 minutes, that's all to do, and that's at an oven at 160 degrees with a fan, 180 without, or gas mark 4. So guess what, you've got 20 minutes to clear up. I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, well I hope you're all washed and cleaned up. It's time to take the bread out of the oven now. It's been just under 30 minutes, it needed a couple more minutes. So let's have a look, let's take it out. Be very careful, make sure you're using a cloth. Oh, look at that. And there we have it, here's our bread. Now obviously it's really hot. To double check if it's cooked, just gently turn it over. You've got the flour on the bottom there, and if you listen, you've got a kind of hollow sound going on in there. That means that's cooked. Okay, so there's our bread so far. So think about how you can serve it. Here's an idea. And here we have our delicious bread, and I've just served it with a really simple tomato soup. If you're interested, I'll send you the recipe, and just some curled butter. Absolutely delicious. I think it's time to have lunch. It smells absolutely amazing, and I'm sure you could enjoy it. and it save you going out to the shops, which obviously we know we're not supposed to do. And you've got this delicious homemade bread that literally just tears apart. Look at that, steaming hot into nice little quarters. Oh, I can't wait to eat this, especially with a bit of butter. Anyway, send me your pictures once you've done it. Alright, achievement points for the best one. Take care, see you later, bye.